Yep.
Okay. This is a Loropetulum. This is a favorite plant among Houstonians. We don't get a lot of plants here in Houston that have a lot of variety of colors, and so this is one of the few. It gets a purple foliage on it. And this is all the new growth, is this really deep lavender color. As it does mature out though, it does tend to turn more green, as you can see on the inside here. So to keep getting that purple foliage, you do have to prune it. And it does flower in the spring. This really, it's really a unique flower. It's pink, and I kind of liken it to confetti. It's got these little stringy pink flowers. They're real pretty. But again, if you prune it right before it in the spring, then you won't see the flowers. It is deer resistant. You have to watch the water on this guy because he is drought tolerant. And he can get to be pretty large. He can actually get to be 7-8 feet tall and as wide if you let it go. But you can keep it to whatever size.